Have you ever heard the saying, an elephant never forgets? It turns out that saying isn't just a myth. It's backed by science. Elephants are among the smartest animals on Earth. With memories so powerful, they can remember water sources decades later. They recognize friends they haven't seen in years, and even mourn the loss of loved ones. But that's only the beginning. The more scientists study elephants, the more they discover just how extraordinary these gentle giants really are. Elephants are the largest land animals alive today. African elephants can stand over 13 feet tall and weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Yet despite their enormous size, they're surprisingly gentle, highly social, and incredibly intelligent. An elephant's brain weighs around 11 pounds, making it the largest brain of any land animal. It's packed with billions of neurons, powering their incredible cognitive abilities, especially in areas responsible for memory, emotions, and problem solving. This allows them to recognize hundreds of other elephants, remember migration routes that stretch for hundreds of miles, and survive even during years of drought. One of the most amazing things about elephants is their memory. During dry seasons, older females called matriarchs lead their herds. They lead them to hidden watering holes they haven't visited in decades. Without these leaders, entire herds may struggle to survive. Elephant families are built around strong emotional bonds. Herds are usually led by an older female who passes down knowledge. Mothers, daughters, sisters, and grandmothers all help raise the calves, protecting them from danger and teaching survival skills. Perhaps the most touching behavior elephants display is grief. Scientists have observed elephants touching bones or tusks of the deceased. Some even stay near the body for hours, or return to the same location years later. Their behavior suggests deep emotional connections. While we can't know exactly what they're feeling, their behavior is unlike almost any other animal in the world. Elephants also comfort one another during stressful situations. When one becomes upset, others place their trunks on its body. It's almost like a reassuring hug. This type of empathy is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom, showing their advanced emotional IQ. Their trunks are one of nature's greatest engineering marvels. An elephant's trunk contains more than 40,000 muscles, allowing it to perform tasks ranging from uprooting trees to carefully picking up a single blade of grass. It's truly versatile. They use their trunks to breathe, smell, drink, and communicate, greeting family members, and even giving themselves showers to stay cool. Elephants are excellent communicators. Besides trumpeting, they produce extremely low-frequency sounds called infrasound. These calls travel for several miles, allowing family members to communicate even when they can't see each other. a natural long-distance system. Their intelligence also shines through in problem solving. Elephants have been observed moving objects to reach food and opening gates. They use sticks to scratch themselves and even plug water holes with bark to save water for later. These behaviors show planning. One of the most surprising discoveries is that elephants recognize themselves in mirrors. This is one of the highest signs of intelligence. This has only been demonstrated by a handful of species, including humans, dolphins, great apes, and magpies. Self-awareness is key. Despite their enormous size, elephants can move much more quietly than you'd expect. The soft pads on their feet help absorb sound. They distribute their weight perfectly, allowing these massive animals to walk almost silently through the forest. Engineering at its finest. Elephants are also environmental engineers. They shape the world around them. As they travel, they knock down trees, dig water holes, and spread thousands of seeds. Many plant species rely on elephants to help spread their seeds across vast distances. Without them, entire ecosystems would change. Baby elephants are playful and curious. They spend years learning from older members of the herd, practicing with their trunks. They play games with siblings and slowly develop essential skills. Every generation benefits from the experience of the last. Sadly, these magnificent animals face serious threats. Populations are dwindling. Habitat loss, human conflict, and illegal ivory poaching continue to reduce populations across Africa and Asia. Every elephant lost is more than just another animal. It's the loss of decades of knowledge, the loss of experience, and family history. It's a tragedy we must address. The more we learn about elephants, the more remarkable they become. They're intelligent, emotional, compassionate giants. They remember, they teach, they protect one another, and they shape the landscapes around them. A true masterpiece of nature. So the next time you hear someone say, "An elephant never forgets," remember, it's more than a saying. It's a fact. One of nature's greatest masterpieces.